Let's celebrate that. Your gifts, my gifts, your gifts will make room for you. Not somebody else's gifts. Somebody else's gifts is not going to make room for you. Your gifts, maybe in a company and in collaboration with their gifts, will make some extra space. But your gifts will make room for who, Tequila? For who, Dawn? Let's get it clear. We need to own this right here. God gave us something special. My gifts will make room for me. Come on. My gifts will make room for me. My gifts. All right, so let's go to see what this gifts is about. So there's gift is a noun. Gift is also a verb. Let's go to the noun version, right? My gifts will make room for me. And in addition to making room for me, it's making room for everything that's connected to me. Yes, Monique. My family. Yes. So my gifts will make room for who? I think we get it twisted. We get it twisted sometimes. I've been there. I got it twisted. I was like, oh my gosh. Her gifts is popping. I need to connect with her. Her gifts is on. She's securing the bag. I need to connect with her because her gift is dope. But her gift is not going to open up doors for me. Not at all. Not when God said, my gifts. He said, daughter, your gifts will make room for you. You're not going to make room for your gifts. Let's get that clear. Because see, we run around chasing, hustling, grinding. Oh, I'm grinding. No, be easy. Your gifts will make room for you. Not your room. You make room for your gifts. No, you don't make room for your gifts. Your gifts will make, come on. I don't think y'all get it. So let's get to it. So when I looked at it and I said, let me see what gift. Let's see what the word gift is about, right? Let's go back to elementary school. One said, a thing given willingly to someone without payment. A present. God gave it to us. One, boom. Two, this right here is going to knock it out the park. Take it. I think I'm going to shut the live off immediately after this one. Y'all ready? Ow! Gifts. A natural ability or talent. Drop the shades. A natural ability or talent. You don't have to pay for the room that is about to be, that your gift is going to make room for. Meaning that the only thing you have to do is work in your natural ability and talent. How about you just showing up and doing what you do best? How about you preparing and perfecting yourself and making sure that your natural ability and talent come on? I don't think y'all get it. He said, your gifts will make room for you. There is nothing that you need to do, no one that you need to look at besides the fact that you have a gift inside of you. Look more on the inside of you. Look more on your natural, not something that you can, it's a natural, oh my gosh, I don't think y'all get it. A natural ability or talent. Some of you are so gifted and talented. Your natural ability is stronger than anything that anybody has ever seen. Why? Because it is your natural ability. But guess what? You're trying to put yourself in a box when your gift will make room for you. You trying to put your ideas in a box, in a mold, in a cookie cutter on what it looks like to fit in the new trend when your gift will make room for you. That room may not be in this time frame. This room may not fit within this particular sector or niche. So we just free yourself today. I think this just said about 25 people free. Understanding that your gifts will make room for you. There is no need to look at what anybody, listen, we got to celebrate each other. That's one. We already know that, but I don't think we're celebrating our natural abilities and talents. Some of you are so gifted and talented. Show up and show out. Show what that's about. Listen, what's your gift? What's your talent? What's your natural ability? It was given to you. Your gift will do what? Somebody put it in there. Okay, you got it, Michelle. Good. So I can go now. Can I go now? Can I exit stage left, please? You got it. Let me know if you got it. Say, I got it, Lucinda. Say, I got it. I got it. I got it. My gifts will make room for me. I don't need to keep pushing to press and keep myself in trying to find a room for my gifts to fit in. Oh, I want to be on this. No, your gifts will make room for where you need to be. You got it, Kalisha. Okay, great. You got it, Roger. What's up? Yes, movie star. I'm adding actress to my bio. When they read it, they better say it right, baby. You got it, Sarah. All right. Maya, you got it. That's my business, baby, right there. You got it, Maya. Kim, you got it? Yes, no one can take your natural ability from you. The only thing that they can do is to keep you from believing in your own, the only thing that someone outside of you can do to prevent you from your gifts making room for you is to make you believe that you are not talented, gifted, that you don't have a natural ability. That's the only thing they can do. And the only way that they can make you do that is if you've never exercised how great you are. If you've never pushed yourself and looked at how far you've come, you won't realize your natural abilities. Your natural abilities, tap into that. You are talented. Don't let anyone tell you that your talents fit within this small box. Listen, your girl's never acted anywhere before except in a play in school. And I think I horribly messed that up because I had the runs. Okay, TMI. But here we are, maybe, come on, 30 years or some odd later. And a thing that I've always desired to do, but didn't know if I would even be talented in it. And to hear from listen, my boy King Wesley here, he is a true actor, right? He's around the best. And so, even just to when I heard that, I was like, oh gosh, my role is with someone who is already a professional, who's already gifted and talented. This is what they do. I'm stepping into this arena. But guess what? Your gifts will make room for you. There was space on the agenda and the program for Lucinda Cross years down the line that I didn't even know. There was space for Lucinda to sit at a premiere and watch herself on a movie screen in at least 3 or 4 scenes. Hello? And so, for me, that's a big deal. Your gifts will make room for you. Don't sweat it. Don't sweat the small stuff. There's a room for you. Period. Point blank. If you got it, I'm out of here and I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm going to go do some stuff because I realize it's Tuesday, so I got to catch up. No need to stress. No need to beg. No need to befriend people. No need to feel left out. No need to have the fear of missing out. No need to feel like you're not a part of the clique or the group or the circle. No need to feel like you need to, what you need to do in order to show up. No need to sit there and invest in someone else's gift when you need to invest in your own by just doing. Hello, somebody. By just doing. Showing up, excuse my expression, for your damn self. I'm grown. Showing up for your damn self. Do it. We done did it for everybody else. Show up for your damn self. Your gifts will make room for you. Got it? You got it, Yolanda? Rakita, I think you got it. Kim, thanks for joining. I hope you got it. Cheryl, you got it. Amy, what's up, babe? I know you got it, Amy. We cut from the same cloth. Anita, you got it? All right. I got it. I'm passionate about it. I'm excited. It's Tuesday. And when you realize that your gifts will make room for you, you show up and you are ready and preparing yourself for the next room. There's a room. Your gifts will make room for you. Your gifts, not her gifts, not his gifts, not their gifts, not, anybody else's gifts. Your gifts will make room for you.